Hello and welcome to the Age of Gaming. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate a very small program that I found here in the Radio Shack Level 2 Basic Reference Manual. It is basically target practice. It's very short. It only has like 26 lines of basic code there, but it's a pretty cute little program. So let's list it here. That's it. That's the whole thing. Let's run it. Tells you hit Z key to aim left, hit the slash key to aim right, and hit spacebar to fire. And you can see the little ship going across the top here, and down here is your gun, and you can point it to the left, or you can point it to the right and fire. Of course, it's not easy to hit. I got one, especially when you're at the angle. Boom. Whoop, too quick. Too slow. Boom. Miss. Boom. Getting terrible at this. Man, let's go over to the left a little bit. Makes it actually harder. But you can also go to the right, but that makes it even worse. You gotta like shoot before it even comes out. Oh, there we go. And it always jumps back to the center here. Boom. All right. Well, again, this is an original Radio Shack TRS 80 Model 1 with Level 2 Basic and a small, tiny little basic program that we're running on it. Hope you enjoyed it and have a great day.